So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the mic is not working on your Windows laptop or any other Windows device. Now, in order to fix it, simply open the settings of your Windows. Now here in the settings, you simply need to go to this option of system right there, then click on sound. Now, first of all, in the input section, make sure that it detects a mic right there. For me, it detects microphone array right there. Now, simply click over there and make sure that the input volume is not set to 0 and select the best quality that is DVD quality, and in your case it might be something different as well. Now if after doing all of it and it does not work, uh, just simply hit for check for update driver updates and update the drivers to the latest version. And if after everything it still does not work, give a restart to your system and make sure that there is no hardware issue regarding to your mic. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.